Good morning everyone, I am Aditya and welcome back to the channel. So currently I am in Kutch. Today our plan is we'll be going to Bhuj and then we'll be going to Jamnagar and we'll be halting at Jamnagar today. Since this is village side, I can hear only the chirping of birds. No one is there in this resort, only our family is there. It seems the booking is empty today and tomorrow there are 3 rooms which is booked. Mainly they'll get demand during the Rann Utsav, which starts soon. So once the Rann Utsav starts, it is very difficult to get any rooms in any resort. Once we left the viewpoint in Rann of Kutch, just after traveling around 200 or 300 meters, we were able to see the white desert. So the water had receded. It was dark, so I couldn't take any videos. I made a new friend. I don't know his name. Yesterday we fed him some biscuit. Now I'll go to some shop and buy some more biscuits. That is the stage. So if we pay 800 rupees, they will do some cultural program here. क्या है आपका नाम?
ज्ञानी.
ज्ञानी. कितने क्लास में पढ़ते हो? 7. वहाँ दुकान में बिस्किट मिलेगा अभी? मिलेगा. वहाँ लेफ्ट जाना है ना?
इधर से
लेफ्ट जाना है. So I bought some biscuit packets and I don't know how many of you know about this, but Dabeli originated in this Kutch region. So yesterday we were trying to find Dabeli, but we could not find. So by chance I found out now, and I asked the person. He said it will be ready by 1 hour. So after we have our breakfast, we'll come here and try to see if the Dabeli is ready. Another important point would be there is no signal here. You won't be able to make any calls or anything. So we have Airtel and we didn't get any signal here, nor in the tent city. But we were able to get the signal when we were going to Kalodangar. Normally what people do is they will visit the Kutch and then they will go back and they will stay in Bhuj in the night. But I recommend you to come here and stay instead, because there is no internet, so you'll be able to enjoy the nature as it is without any distraction and actually relax. All the resorts in this region, they have huts. They don't have cement buildings like in hotels in the cities. So it will be a new experience for us as well, since we normally live in the cement buildings, and you will be able to get out of the hustle bustle of the city and live peacefully here. I'm going back to resort now. We'll have breakfast, then we will leave to Jamnagar. It's a very long drive. At least it's going to take around 7 hours. So yeah, I'll update you guys. So we traveled for around 10 minutes and then we stopped here to eat the dabeli. But driver said not to stop near our hotel because it was anyway not ready, and he told he will give us a better place. So we stopped here and we took dabeli. So the taste is good, but it is a little bit on the sweeter side, and bun is not so crispy, but still the taste is good. So if you come along this Kutch region, do make sure that you stop somewhere and have the Kutchi dabeli. So we were going to Bhuj. On the way we stopped here. This is the place where Tropic of Cancer is passing. So we thought we'll take some photos. So now we'll be going to Jamnagar. On the way maybe we'll stop somewhere for tea and lunch. It's 1:30 right now, and we have stopped here to have some lunch. Jamnagar is still around 120 kilometers away, which is at least 2 hours 45 minutes according to Google Maps, and it's scorching hot. So we'll have our lunch and then we'll go to Jamnagar. We had our lunch, and since we are entering the Saurashtra region, Kathiawadi foods are famous here. So we want to explore and we want to eat as much as local food as we can. We took Kathiawadi meals, thepla and kaju gadiya and rotla. If you are coming in this route, if you want to eat some local food, you can come here. So yeah, I'll see you guys in Jamnagar. Finally reached the hotel in Jamnagar. It is 5 o'clock, so we will just freshen up and then we will go to Bala Hanuman temple. I saw in Google that it is open 24 hours, and then maybe we'll try to have some local food. So we have seen a little bit eatery stalls, so we'll try to find those stalls and go there. There is a nearby lake also near the Bala Hanuman temple, so yeah, we'll see you there. It is 7 o'clock and we are going to Bala Hanuman temple. So this is a lake in Jamnagar. It is called Lakota Lake. We have parked our car here and then we are going to Bala Hanuman temple because we don't know if parking is available there. Once we go to the temple, then we will find some eatery stalls and have our dinner there. So we just visited the Bala Hanuman temple. The fact about this temple is, since 1st August 1964, the chants of Jai Ram is going on day in and day out. This is even recognized by Guinness Books of World Record. 24/7 daily the chants are going on. So we are in Lakota Lake right now. The entry ticket per person is 10 rupees and you have to even show the vaccination certificate for entering. And there are multiple gates, so you can get your entry ticket from any of the gate and you can come in. And if you have any bags, you need to show the bag that you are not carrying any food items. They will charge something special for the DSLR camera as well, but for this camera it is fine. Even in the night time it is allowed, so many people are still walking, jogging and all. There is an archaeological museum here and that is closed on Wednesdays, but since we came very late now we couldn't go. The park itself is very huge. Just seeing the outline of the street lamps, you can get to know or you can estimate how big the park is. This is just few hundred meters from the Bala Hanuman temple and there are many eatery stalls all around the park. If you feel like you want to stop your walk and you can just go outside and have something to eat. So that is what we are going to do. We went to the famous Jain Vijay Farsan shop. There are a lot of varieties of Gujarati sweets and snacks which are packed and you can take it back home and enjoy. We took the special dry fruit kachori and the taste was really good. For dinner, we went to Brahminia dining hall and ordered Kathiawadi meals. Even though the food was without onion and garlic, the taste was excellent and a very good pocket-friendly place. If you are in Jamnagar, you should definitely not miss this place. This is it for today. We'll see you in Dwarka in the next episode. Thank you for watching.